All right, what's going on, everyone? My name is Rob from Rob Invest. I'm coming at you with another live video. Before we get to the topic, I just want to say that I am not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes. So the topic is growth versus income. Now, this video is going to be a short video, but this is just going to be, expressing my opinion on it, on growth versus income. Now, you have one side that is growth, you have one side that is income. And these two sides, they clash. There are people who are going to say, well, you need to go for growth. And then there are other people saying, well, we don't need growth. We could do income investing. It does not, at the end of the day, it really does not matter, right? It just depends on what you are comfortable with. Now, if you're comfortable with a very low dividend yield and relying on capital gains, great. If you are comfortable with having steady income with a reduction of capital gains, that is great. As long as you do not sell the capital, as long as you don't sell for the capital gains, and as long as you reinvest in your dividends, then your portfolio is going to grow. I don't care if you're getting a 2% return, right? It's still growth. If you have a $100,000 account and you put it into a bank, let's say, and it gives you 2% interest, well, if you don't spend that interest, that's $2,000 in profit. Now you are $2,000 richer. Now I know people are going to say, well, that's nothing. But at the end of the day, no matter how big or small the profit is, it is growth. As long as you keep the money in and as long as you reinvest, then you'll be fine. And this also goes with distributions as well. Now, with distributions, this is going to be towards cover call ETFs. Same thing with the dividends. As long as you reinvest in the distributions, that's fine. It's going to grow at the end of the day. And I kind of want to jump into the distributions with the cover call. Now, you have some people that say, well, these distributions, they have NAV erosion. Let's say the Yield Max, for example. Okay, that pays 60%. That pays a 60% distribution, all right? And this is just, I don't really have the real numbers right now. I'm just making up some numbers, just to put my point across, right? So if you have a 60% yield, right, and your NAV drops 30% in 1 year, okay, you're still up by 30%. I think people just need to look more of the total return instead of just looking at capital gains, relying on capital gains. So there's benefits to each. When you're investing for capital gains, yeah, you're going to get more money, but you're going to hold more risk. Now with income investing, yeah, okay, you're not going to get as big as capital gains as a growth investor, but you will get dividends, which means your portfolio is usually less volatile and it's more predictable. So it's all about choosing what is right for you, because some people, even when they're young, they don't have a strong risk appetite. But others who are young, they can do that. I mean, they can go for the capital gains. But, for me, I like the cover call ETFs because I can say this, I'm a bit of an impatient person. And in my opinion, capital gains are uncertain. In a year, you don't know if you're going to get a 12%, 10%, or a negative 5%. But I know with a income investment, I know what I'm getting. Now, the NAV might go up or down, but I know what I'm getting in my distributions. So, just the lesson for today. It does not matter what strategy you have, as long as you Do not sell for capital gains. As long as you reinvest your dividends and distributions, as long as you keep the interest in your bank account or whatnot, growth is growth. I don't care if it's a 20%. I don't care if you're getting a 15%. I don't care if you're getting a 5% or 2%. It's growth. All right, that's all I have for you. If you guys found this video informative, please like, subscribe, put a comment. I would like to hear your guys' opinion on income versus capital gains or growth. I would like to know which one are you guys in favor of. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.